Well, we'll take you out to Jackson Hole Resort. This is Cody Bowl, and if you look close here at the side of the mountain, you can see some snow, and even here a little bit farther to the left. Of course, snow is going to start to become more of a thing. We have several waves of energy that will be funneling down into the lower 48 over the next few days, and that could bring some high elevation snow to those particular areas. Looking at river observations through North and South Carolina, still looking at moderate and major flood stage and along a number of rivers, and flooding is still a big concern even a week and a half after Florence. And interestingly, the remnants of Florence made its way back out to the Atlantic Basin and kind of recurved back towards the East Coast over the weekend, and it does have a medium chance of tropical formation over the next 5 days. We'll have to watch that again, but Kirk has now become a post-tropical cyclone. Leslie is a tropical storm as well, but nothing threatening immediately. Meanwhile, in the Eastern Pacific, that wave has a high probability of tropical formation over that 5-day period, and one of our big stories over the next few days will be heavy rain from Nashville to Cincinnati and Charleston. Could be looking at some widespread 2 to 5 inch rainfall tallies. Some models are suggesting even higher tallies with some thunderstorm activity, but pretty widespread 1 to 3 inches. Can't rule that out. And as this moisture begins to slowly lift to the north, it will bring pretty soggy wet weather to the northeast. So we take you through the next couple of days. Maybe some 1 to 2 inch rainfall tallies within these areas as well. And where we need some moisture is in the western U.S. Critical fire weather over the Intermountain West and Northern California. Thus the red flag warnings for warm, dry, and breezy weather there. Meanwhile, today, marginal threat from Kentucky to Tennessee, even out near the front range of the Rockies. Tomorrow, greater threat, slight risk from the Great Lakes to the Ohio Valley. And then by Wednesday, that front pushes even farther east, brings some severe weather there. So here comes that front barreling out of Canada, bringing with it some heavy rain, of course, but also some chilly temps in the next several days.